Good morning. This very cold morning. I'm not stepping outside because the wind chill is 29 degrees. This is the blizzard of January 2025. As you see, the storm passed me again. I'll be glad next week when it's 70 degrees again. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. I'm going to put my cactus out as soon as this freezing weather passes. They said there were snow flurries in the Keys. And there was 8 inches, I think, in Tallahassee. Don't quote me on it. I haven't watched the final weather report this morning. But I think the bad weather is over for a while. Everybody stay warm and everybody stay safe. I really love you guys. Bye for now.